Hello, I'm Sharmila Mukherjee, an Odissi dancer, and I'd like to invite you all to the Pravaha Dance Festival happening in Bengaluru. We have Odissi and Bharatanatyam. A few tickets are still left. Do get them, and I hope to see you all there.